Dogma explains that DNA results in a protein, and it's the process by which this happens, where DNA is transcribed into RNA, which is then translated into tRNA, which produces an amino acid, which in turn connects a bunch of amino acids together to create a protein. Okay, so here we have the RNA molecule, which has bases on it, which convey information. This RNA molecule moves to the ribosome, where tRNA molecules are then synthesized, which contain anticodons of the three codon sections of the RNA molecule, and then these pump out proteins. Here we have transcription, the process of DNA to mRNA. The first step in transcription is initiation, where RNA polymerase, seen here, attaches to the promoter region of the DNA sequence. The second step is elongation, in which RNA molecules are synthesized from nucleotides in the nucleus, whilst RNA polymerase unzips the DNA for RNA replication to insert. The RNA is synthesized in a 5' to 3' direction, and the DNA is in a 3' to 5'. Who's losing? The third step is termination, in which the process stops at the end of the gene code. Now the final part is DNA replication, by which the process of DNA is replicated to another DNA. So here we have topicase, but it rotates the double helix to stop it from breaking. Here we have helicase, which unzips the double helix. Then here we have DNA polymerase, which creates new DNA molecules. And then here we have ligase, which connects these fragments called Okazaki fragments together. And then over here they're connected by another enzyme to form another double helix.